with sound effects. We got Moistache and Pippi the Pounder versus Benny Brickfoots and Diamond Dolan.
Here these guys don't play very much.
Ooh, a nice little shot over the back.
Looks like Diamond has control here.
Looks like Moist has control of the front here. Ooh, a nice little reach there. Pippi comes in clutch here. Diamond Dolan with a nice shot in the corner. 1 point for away.
Benny's serves are quite solid.
Oof, Pippi can't even return a serve.
Yeah, he really struggles with those serves. I guess the only thing he can do is jump, people say. Not really sure what they mean.
Diamond with a high one. Ooh.
Yeah, Benny really struggles with those easy shots. You'll see he'll be struggling with those all night long. It's happened every time we watch him, but he really can put quite a spin on it. That's really all he wants to do, it seems like.
Ooh. Moist taking his anger out on the ball. Technical called by Diamond.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, and then doesn't get the serve.
That's what happens. When you take your anger out on the ball, it will not treat you well after that.
Oof, way to stay out of the kitchen there, Pippi. Ooh, a nice little doink. But the away team gets the point there.
Man, this just doesn't seem like it's how it would go. I thought home would take this for sure.
Oof, Diamond barely misses. Ooh, and that's why we call him Pippi the Pounder.
Goodness.
Look at that one.
Wow, that was at least a 20-inch vert.
Ooh, he might run into the camera. Watch out. And his teammate doesn't even get it.
God dang, did you see his shoulders though when he got over here?
Uh-oh. Aim for the feet, everybody. Aim for the feet.
That's what you got to do, man. Just aim for those feet. There's no way they can get it. They're just not athletic enough.
Uh-oh. Here comes a little fake. Ooh, look at that twirly-do. Wow. His teammate mocks him with the spins.
You can mock those spins all you want, but that was sexy as shit. Wow.
Uh-oh. They came up. They have control of the front here. Oof. Uh-oh. Benny Brickfoot. He can't move, and he can't hit the ball. What is he good at? Uh-oh. The away team is losing control.
Yeah, it's not looking so good for them anymore.
Man, they can't even return serves at this point.
Wow, wasn't it like 0-3 at one point? Jeez Louise.
Oh my. This is getting out of control, folks.
It really is. I mean, it's just wild. These guys can't even return or keep a rally going for more than 10 hits.
Man.
Wow, this is hard to watch, isn't it? I'm not gonna lie, I would rather watch Lemon play this.
Ooh, Benny Brickfoot gets over here. Takes his time getting back, though. Oh, reaches again.
Uh-oh. Oh, my goodness.
Diamond ruins it.
He sure did, didn't he?
Oh, my goodness.
I mean, you really just set it
again with the 40-inch vert.
Yeah, I mean, you just pop it up right there at the net. He's going to spike it on you.
Can't even return a serve to end it.
Wow. That was it,
Great job, home team. All right, thanks for watching, folks. Subscribe for more.